Dear students, how are you? I hope you are well. Stay home, remain safe. If it is not necessary, you should not go out. If it is emergency, you must use mask and use sanitizer or wash your hand with soap. Wash your hand with soap after a while. You know, coronavirus is a oddly epidemic. None can prevent it at this moment. We have to wait for this remedy. So we have to we have to be aware. We have to be aware if we want to keep if we want to be safe. Students, I would like to speak another important topic. You know, this is national anthem. When we are in classroom, we first we have to first join in assembly. There we say our prayers and national anthem. But now you are in the classroom. You have you are in your home. You should not forget our national anthem because national anthem is our national identity. For this national anthem, our heroic sons sacrificed their lives. They have snatched, they have achieved independence for for us. So we should remember them. We should pay proper respect to them. Dear students, I am here I am here with you for class 7. Class 7 uh, English on Unit 4 Lesson 2 and lesson title is A Teacher 2. Students, this topic is on a teacher like me, like another teacher. Rather, it's a topic on good teacher or good teacher. How a teacher can be a good teacher. This topic is on this topic. This topic is on this subject. You know, when we read some topic, we have some keywords. We have to solve these keywords to understand the passage clearly. Like other days, I also I will show you also a uh, keywords. Students, look at the blackboard. First one is company. In your text, firstly you have to open your textbook and page number 28. There are some there are some keywords. Company, vacant, status, respect, in-laws, academic, admire, demonstrate, inspire, corridor, etc. The first one is company. Company means business organization. Corridor, a long narrow space in a building, in a house, in a room. Academic, of education in school, college, etc. When we receive education and degree in a organization, this called is academic. Admire. Admire means to regard with respect. Demonstrate, to show something clearly by giving proof or evidence. To show something by doing. If such as I tell you, don't tell a lie, but I myself tell a lie. This is not demonstrate. I advise you, don't tell a lie. I should not be tell a lie. I should not tell a lie. This is demonstrate. In-laws, relatives by marriage. Relatives not by birth, but relatives by marriage. After marriage, we have some new person to our relatives. This is in-laws. Inspire, to feel with thought, feelings, or aim. To encourage someone. Respect, the feeling of admiration for good qualities. When someone do some good jobs, we respect them. When someone speak the truth, we respect them. When someone has a strict personality, we respect them. Status, the social, legal, or professional position. A position in a society of a man is status, vacant, not filled or empty. Blank space. It is vacant or not filled or empty. Students, I will read your topic first. You have to listen it and you have to understand the passage. Student, when we are in classroom, I give you it silently. But you are not in the classroom, I will help you to understand the passage. So keep your book and read and listen attentively. Read about Mrs. Shahana Huda. Shahana's husband, Mr. Jamil Huda, works in a company office. His firm has a vacant position. On several days, he told Shahana, I want you to apply for the post. But Shahana said, please don't insist. I am joining the local high school as a teacher. What do you find in a teaching job, Shahana? I don't want you to do it. Her in-laws are also on his side. Yet Shahana joined the school against the will of the family. Weeks, months went by. Every day Shahana helps the household work. Every day she works hard to prepare her lesson. Every day she goes to school, teaches and students and help teaches her students and helps both weak and bright ones. They often come to her in the teacher's room, in the corridor, or even on the road and talk to her about any academic or personal problems. Within a year, Shahana becomes a very good teacher. Students give her salam whatever they see her. Teachers, even the head teacher, admire her. Parents and other people in the community comes to see her at home and at the school and pay her great respect. One day her husband said, you have opened my eyes, Shahana. Teaching is more than a job. I don't know it. Congratulations. Thank you. She smiled. Tell me, Shahana, how you could be such a great teacher? Jamil wanted to know. I don't only teach my subject. I care for my students. I love them. I myself demonstrate good behavior and inspire them to be good. That's all I do, replied Shahna. This is a conversation and an event of a family, a husband and a wife. A husband works in a farm and he earns that his wife also will do the same job because in a farm salary is handsome but teaching job salary is enough. So but the wife's ambition is not to be a service holder. He wants to be a teacher. It's a profession, but it's not a service. Teaching is more than a job because teaching is such kind of productive house. There, this productive house produce, and if this factory production house product honest, sincere, sincere citizen, the country will be helpful. But this production house failed to product good citizen, um, moral values, country will be suffered. Country will suffer. So this production house, who works in this production house, they should be a good, they should be a good friend, a good advisor, a good commander, a good person, because students follow a teacher. He wants to be a teacher like, if he wants to be a teacher like him or her, then the teacher will be successful. By doing and working for a long time, a teacher can be a good teacher. A teacher has to not only teach, not only teach. He has to a lot of job. In a secondary level, a teacher works with the adolescent level students. They are very aggressive. They are very sentimental. We have to handle these sentimental, aggressive students. They are they are very energetic, but they are also naughty. We have to handle these naughty boys. So students, these are the passages about a teacher. How a teacher can be a good teacher. He demonstrate, he himself herself will demonstrate good behavior. Teacher, student will also inspired by, would be also inspired by them. This is about the passage. Students, we will go to section B. Here is a very interesting things for you. You have to do mathing. You know, mathing is very interesting because you have to put this. You have to put this by seeing everything. You have not to memorize it. So you are very happy. As I have shown you some keywords, it will helpful for you to solve this section B. I will go for section B. So what has here? Company for vacant. Company vacant. Status. In-laws. Corridor, okay. Academic, okay. Admire, admire, admire. Demonstrate, demonstrate, admire, demonstrate, inspire. Okay. First one is company. In our keywords, what we have shown. Company means business organ. What was that? Company means business organization. Here we have only business. Company means business. Then corridor. What do you know? Corridor means a long Narrow passage. What is here? A long narrow passage in a building. A long narrow space. Passage. In a building. In a building. Then academic. Academic means regarding education in educational organization. Academic means here has connected with study, education. Connected connected with education. Then admire. We know admire means to show respect. To show respect. You can easily match it because you have keywords meaning. Then demonstrate. To show something by doing. This is evidence or proof. In-laws. What is the meaning? Relatives by marriage. Relatives by marriage. There is a very clear definition. Especially, I have to take this book. Oh, sorry. Especially husbands or wives, family members. Then inspire, we told you to encourage someone. Encourage somebody to do something well. To do something well. Then respect. Respect is missing here. Respect. Then status. What should be the meaning? Health, rank or social position. Health. Sorry. High. If you are in classroom, you can respond about it very quickly. Rank or social position. Then vacant. Vacant means I told you. Before. Vacant means empty. Then admire. To show respect. Student, this was the classwork in section B. Now we will go to section C. There is a group work, but you are not in a group. You are now in individual. So you have to do with me. Now we will go to section E. Complete the passage with words from the book. The pilot, she, and in observation, crashes, weather, young, the girl. What's the word? Girl. Then pilot. We know pilot means woman. That is an article or adjective. She, pronoun, and article, adjectives. In, it's a preposition. Observation, it's a noun. We know DIY is a symbol of noun. Then crush. Crush means plane crash. Plane durghotana. Weather. If or whether. Jodi. Young. Very little. Yes. The also and girl is a noun. What kind of noun? Girl is a common noun. This this is our what? We have to fill in the blanks with this what? We have the passage. First one, a father is talking to his. A father is talking to his dash daughter. Dash daughter about her aim in life. About her aim in life. Students, look at this. A father is talking, there is subject, continuous tense is going on to his daughter. Daughter is a noun, we know. Before noun, we have to put adjectives. So, what should be the answer? A father is talking his daughter. How is the daughter says? A young, it's young daughter. Because we set up age in a very little age, young age. So, the answer should be the young daughter about her aiming life. Dash girl want to be a pilot. Dash girl wants to be a pilot. Pilot. Okay. Dash girl. Who has the girl? We mention it. Girl is daughter. So we mentioned it before. When we mention when we mention indefinite something, we after indefinite we have to put definite article. So girl, we have used there young. So we have to put article. What should be the article? The girl wants to be a pilot. The girl wants to be a pilot. Dash father asks why. Here should be also a article. What should be the article? A father. These are indefinite, but this father is definite. We have to put the definite article. So the father asks her why. The young dash. The young dash replies that the job of a dash is challenging. That she lied. Here young is an adjective. We know after adjective we have to put noun. So what's the noun? I told you before the girl is a noun. Noun. The young girl replied that the job of a here is only one is a profession. Pilot is a profession. The job is a pilot is challenging that she likes. That she likes. Besides Sheila, besides we know besides is a connector, linking. Beside dash likes. Likes. The speed. The speed and high responsibilities. We know the job of a pilot is high speed. The responsibilities dash a pilot's life. So what should be? Beside dash likes, here is a verbs, but a subject is missing. Beside connector, after connector we have to put subjects. Likes, here likes. We have to find out this subject. It's maybe noun, maybe pronoun. Young is done. The is done. Then girl is done. Pilot is done. First remain as a subject she. She likes the speeds and responsibilities. We have subject, verb, object, and extension. Then we have to put in a preposition. What's the preposition? Whether or in. If there is no to combine sentence, we do not use whether. We use in. In and the is. The father asks. We will go to the father asks. She is not afraid. Plain. Reporting space, reported verb. After between reporting space and reported verb, we have to put some conjunction. Then ask. Ask is a symbol of interrogative sentence, and the connector of interrogative sentence is if or whether or WH. So you have to put whether. Then is not afraid of plane. Sometimes planes is class. So the answer should be plane crash. Plane crashes. Plane crashes. The daughter says. The daughter says. An accident is accident. That is a direct speech. The daughter says an accident is. Before accident we have article and we also put n. We have to also put here n. An accident. The father appreciates. What's the meaning of appreciate? Meaning of. Appreciates his daughters. His daughters. Last one is observation. We know possessive for a noun question. Observation and wishes are good luck. Students, this was the gap filling of section D. I hope you have understood the topic very well. I am trying my level best to understood you. If you are in classroom, I hope it will also it will very fulfill helpful to you. But without classroom, you have to continue your study and you have to hope for the best. Students, now I give you a homework. Write a paragraph on a actually when we give a paragraph, we will put some question. Uh, I will not give you question. You have to write it in your own imagination. Who is your best teacher? Who is your best teacher? What is his quality? What he has done to you? How he inspired to you? Uh, this is your hint. Using these hints, you have to write this program. Students, no more today. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.